Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is December the 20th, 2023, and we're just going to take a look at the tomatoes we planted a couple weeks ago. As you can see, there aren't a whole lot of sprouts on this left side, but as you get toward the center and to the right, there seems to be quite a bit. So I'm thinking that this other tomato plant isn't producing a lot of sprouts for some reason. Not sure. Maybe the seeds weren't all that great. But this second tomato plant seems to be doing extremely well. I think those are the cherry tomatoes, and these are the really big tomatoes. So over time, we're going to learn whether or not these guys do well during the winter. You can clearly see that they have sprouted, even the big ones, and they're maintaining life. So that's a good thing. But what we want to see is if they can survive through any kind of frost this year during this winter. The grow medium is leaves and detritus inoculated with beneficial bacteria and beneficial fungi. Okay, and then they were left in a pit. All of these leaves and detritus were left in a pit for just about a year, and so we pulled it out and put it in this bed here, and it should do really well for these tomatoes. Going forward, if they do grow to a decent size where it looks like they're going to start producing, then I'm going to be creating a structure that's not similar to this, but I still do use the 2-inch gap chicken wire fencing on some wood to help support these guys as they begin their production phase. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That helps the channel grow. And stay tuned, as I will keep you updated on the progress of these tomatoes going into winter. Have a great day.